Some news now coming in from the Supreme Court, where we are understanding they've allowed the extension as far as the tenure of the ED chief is concerned, Sanjay Kumar Mishra, to continue till the 15th of September. Remember, there was a plea that was filed by the centre asking for this extension, which now the top court in fact has allowed. This is the ED chief, Sanjay Kumar Mishra, who we are talking about. So now we're understanding, because this plea has been accepted by the top court, Sanjay Kumar Mishra in fact will continue in office till the 15th of September. Let's also now bring in our legal correspondent Ananya Bhatnagar, who's getting us more details. So Ananya, the centre in fact had filed a plea to ask for this extension, which has now been accepted, which means that Sanjay Kumar Mishra will continue in office till the 15th of September. Any more details that you're picking up?
Well, definitely, this was a very, very crucial application that was filed by the central government, seeking, in fact, an extension of tenure that was ending of Mr. Sanjay Kumar Mishra on July 31. The centre had sought for an extension, saying that there is a FATF review. The exercise is going on, and in fact, Sanjay Kumar Mishra was clearly spearheading that exercise, being the ED director at that point of time, and he has been doing so since the time he has been the ED director, and that's the reason why, in fact, he is required, because if at all that does not happen, this would put the country into a bad light and might put the country into the grey list as well. So definitely this is a big thing that has come in, and the Supreme Court has accepted this. And I'll read in fact, Ridhima, the operative portion of this order for you that would clear out every bit of it, that in ordinary circumstances we would not have entertained this application, having held that the extension was granted to Sanjay Kumar Mishra by the order dated July 11 was illegal. We permitted him to continue till July 31 to ensure a smooth transmission. We find that though in ordinary circumstances we would not have entertained, but taking into consideration the larger public interest, we are inclined to permit Sanjay Kumar Mishra to continue as the ED director till 15th of September 2023. We clarify that no further application shall be entertained, and he will be ceased to be the director at midnight of 15th to 16th September. So very, very clearly the last word coming in from the Supreme Court, that no further extension, only until 15th of September can he continue, just because of that FATF review that has to take place and is a continuous exercise that is going on. There is a diplomacy involved in it, and that's the reason why, in fact, the Supreme Court too has entertained this petition. Remember that opposing these petitions, Dr. Singhvi, who was appearing for the respondents into this particular, for the petitioners into this particular case, clearly argued that, this is something that is a backdoor entry for taking a review of a judgment, that too in an open court, and that should not be permitted. This is something that the centre is just using to extend Sanjay Kumar Mishra's tenure, but rejecting all of those arguments, clearly holding that, this is an important exercise that is being conducted, and only in public interest, Sanjay Kumar Mishra will continue to be the ED director till 15th of September.
So Ananya, I just want to quickly understand, because you said the Supreme Court also, mincing no words, said this was an exceptional circumstances that they were taking into review, and that is why this extension is only being allowed to the 15th and not even a day after that. So in the plea that had been filed by the centre, was the FATF review the only matter mentioned as to why they were asking for the extension, or were there other issues mentioned as well?
No, this was the major reason that was cited by the central government, clearly saying that, there is a FATF review that is going on at this particular time. And since FATF is connected to money laundering at some point, at a lot of angles, and in fact, that is a key aspect of FATF. That's the reason why, in fact, Sanjay Kumar Mishra is actually needed. In fact, when the hearing actually began, Justice Gawai actually asked, the Solicitor General of India that this application is putting, apprehension, and in fact, it's putting image that the centre has no competent person available. But when the Solicitor General of India explained as to why this FATF review is going on, and in fact it can have bad consequences, it can put the country into the bad light. The Supreme Court finally took some time, went out, took a break for 5 minutes, and then came back dictating this order, clearly giving the last breather to Sanjay Kumar Mishra to actually continue till the 15th of September. That too not completely 15th of September. He will have to seize his day by the 15th and 16th of midnight. So we'll have to see. The big question is who will be the new head of the Federal Probe Agency of the country. So we'll have to wait and watch for that. But definitely a big order and a big breather coming in for Sanjay Kumar Mishra.
Okay, Ananya, we'll have to leave that conversation there. Thanks a lot for getting us all those details.